Go.
Hi guys, today we're back with another video, and we got some roasted marshmallows, and we put some chocolate on it, and it really looks good. And look, here's a close up.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Now you got that.
And make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe, comment, hit the link down below,
and hit that bell.
And hit the bell. And share with everyone and anyone.
Until you gonna go back.
Let's get into this. And let's get into this.
Okay. And hold on. And look, you got this. Yeah, look. Hey.
Wait, mine's bigger though.
It's okay. And mine water. And you don't eat tiger, but I did for y'all though.
Yep.
Because y'all my tail. And gonna hit that bill.
Yep, and let's get started.
And 1, 2, 3, go. And you don't eat tiger, I'm gonna do it for y'all.
It's good, you guys.
You don't eat tiger yet.
You don't like it?
No,
why
I
you put
don't
chocolate on yours then?
You didn't put tiger on it.
Not that chocolate.
What target? They will. I think you touched that this target.
You the one who got that chocolate syrup.
Huh. Hold on, guys.
He doesn't like it.
Hold on, yeah.
But it's actually good.
You're not gonna eat a bite for them? Not even a bite?
Yeah, don't eat.
This is good.
I don't eat that target.
I got sprinkles too.
Can I get some sprinkles?
And I want it. Then maybe a more one with pink on it. And that's no target.
You guys, it looks so good. And in real life, it's good too.
And that goes to me. Where did it? Not
sprinkles.
So good.
Sprinkles!
Oh, I think that I'm gonna use. I don't know what I should use. I think it's like this big.
No.
Okay. Can I get a marshmallow just for fun?
So you're not gonna eat yours either?
I am. I like marshmallow.
You want one like this too?
I want one like heat oven. Yeah, heat, Mom. Heat.
No, okay, I'm not gonna keep marshmallows.
I feel green, you guys.
Hold on, guys, but
Don't use too many sprinkles.
Sprinkles can get nasty.
Okay.
Ooh, she rolled another one just for you.
I want my stick.
Okay.
Should I use the big fat sprinkles?
I don't know, I just want y'all to eat them.
Okay. No. I'm gonna do a P1 first.
Ooh, I got a thing that y'all can do too.
What, Mom?
Y'all can do the chunky bunny thing.
Oh yeah, chunky bunny. And then you put another one in and then say chunky bunny.
Yeah. We're gonna make that another one.
So are we gonna do that after we do this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm adding a lot of detail.
I got mine.
Oh my god. That's enough. Dipping in the chocolate,
Y'all, I remember when I was little
I actually want to buy just like that.
and my Uncle Roger used to build a fire and we used to get to eat s'mores all the time. That's one of my favorite childhood memories of my uncle.
And hey, bird. But it's actually good.
Let's see that.
It's good. At first it's good, tastes like it burned, but it's good.
Why you gotta bite the one I ain't even pull nothing off of?
Alright, I added some
You used it too
sprinkles
many.
to it, and this is how it looks now. It looks so good.
Can I use your plate?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll get into this.
Oh.
Holy cow!
Holy cow! I got extra sprinkles. It looks like diarrhea.
Yeah, we have that you.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god, that's a lot. The big ones like that is hard.
It's your sugar.
Sugar. I'm gonna roll it in more chocolate. Okay, let's take another bite. Let's go.
We don't have no Hershey's in here.
No.
If I had a Hershey, that would make it
So
super.
So good.
Super.
You good? What pig good?
Give me some in my hand. Okay, that's enough. That's.
Y'all don't use all my sprinkles. When I make a cake, I ain't gonna have any.
Hey, cakes.
Y'all want to taste what? It's down my tongue. I tumble.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Get my sprinkles. You overdoing it. You got a plate full of sprinkles.
Guys, this is like excellent.
We gotta think of some challenges, y'all. We're gonna be doing challenges all week.
Yeah.
To have y'all.
Where they at? They're probably at. They're good.
I gotta think of some good challenges for the people. For my people. Put your plate back on the table so it don't fall.
I do this for you, Titi. I gonna give you.
I like these. It's like rock candy right here. These little things.
Oh.
Let me show y'all.
Hey. Y'all know y'all. And you what?
It's like rock candy, the ones that be on the stick. It ain't nothing but sugar.
Ah. Oh.
Taste it.
Ah. You are hot.
Let me see. You're okay.
They were hot.
Make a mess.
Do this.
Hey.
Y'all, I don't think they're gonna eat these roasted marshmallows.
I eat mine. But this one famous.
We will be back soon with another video. We're going to do the what challenge?
Yeah! Yeah!
What challenge?
Chubby Body!
Why you keep yelling? The what challenge?
The Chubby Body! And hit the bell!
You heard him. Hit the bell.
Yeah.
Like right now. Like
yeah.
right now.
Yeah, now.
You can do it. Press it. Right now. Right now.
Yeah, now. Yeah, do it. Say yeah now.
Oh, give us a thumbs up too. Like right now.
And hit the bell. Yeah, go now. Yeah, now.
We'll be back, you guys. We're going to do Chunky Bunny.